Hi everyone. So I wanted to record a quick video. I know some folks have been having trouble accessing the second TBOA clinic, the first fully online one. So I just wanted to run through sort of some of the features and show you how to access it, as well as help troubleshoot some issues a few people have reached out to me about. In particular, I'm going to show first doing this on my on my computer, my desktop, and then I will show how to do it on the phone. And I use an iPhone, but this should be essentially the same for any other smartphone. So let me first start by going. The first thing I'll say is that the easiest way to do this, there are other ways, but click on the link in the email that Art sent out to everyone. Okay, so this link right here, if I click on this link, it's first going to take me to something that says you found an open class, TBOA officials. Yours is going to say Quinn Morris because I'm the one who set the class up. It's going to have a class code, and it's going to ask you for a nickname. Here it would be easiest if you just put your full first and last name, click join open class. Now, when you first come here, you'll see this, and if you click play, it's going to seem like nothing is happening, but notice that what has happened is this question has popped up over here. You'll need to enter your first and last name. Then you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Dragonfly account. Click submit. It's then going to give you your answers back, and it's going to say to be graded. You'll just click next question and continue. And now once you do that, the video clinic should pop up and start playing. Okay. You'll continue to go through. You go through. Once you reach the end, it may say something to the effect of, you got 0 out of 2 questions. They haven't been graded, or they've not been marked as correct. You can ignore that. As long as you get all the way to the end of the video, that'll show up, and you will receive credit for the clinic. One issue some folks have been having is that the video seems to always get hung up at the same spot. I'm not exactly sure. I can't reproduce this issue, but I'm actually going to put in the text around this video. If you're watching it on Facebook, it'll be in the Facebook post itself. If you're watching this, if you click on the YouTube link to watch this, I will post it in the text below the YouTube video. I'm going to put some instructions on how to reset your cache. And I'll put, I'm going to link you to a website that has different instructions depending on what internet browser you're using. So I'm using Chrome, but it'll have instructions for basically any internet browser. The only possible explanation I have is that there's some issue in your cache that's causing a problem, and that resetting that might help. So I will link to instructions to that. So again, just make sure you must answer both questions. You must click sort of to submit each answer, and then you must confirm each answer before it will bring you back to the video. And then the video should play, no problem. The other thing is to show you this on a phone. Now, on a phone, there is one slight difference. That slight difference being, sorry, give me 1 second here. That one slight difference being that on a phone, it really is best to first download the Edpuzzle app. So you can see I'm now sharing my phone screen. I've just opened up the email from Art, but you can also see, sorry, I've actually been locked out of my phone. If I go here, you can see I've downloaded the Edpuzzle app. So in whatever your app store is, you should be able to download the Edpuzzle app. It generally just works best if you do that first. Then if you go in your email, again, I'm just going to click on the link here. And now this is going to do something a little strange. So it's first going to open up something here. Again, you sort of saw this screen before, and I can enter my first and last name here again. Join open class. And now when I do this, it's going to say, oh, you need to switch to the app. So you say, okay, open app. And again, you need to have the app downloaded. If you don't have it downloaded, It'll take you to a link to download it. Once you click on that, it will open it in the app. It will again ask you for your name. So you're going to end up entering your name a lot. And click join. Okay. Now, again, it looks like this is not going to play, but if you try to hit play, the first thing it's going to do is open up this question. So again, you would just enter your first and last name here. And enter that. I enter my email address. Okay. Again, it's going to ask me, I'm going to have to click continue to confirm my answers. And again, now the video will start playing. Okay. Again, if you have these controls at the bottom, you can pause the video. You can go back a few seconds. I think it takes you back like 10 seconds. Or you can also switch it to a full screen view by pressing the button there. Okay. So this should give you some idea of the different ways to access the video, as well as just address a few issues that people have been running into with their account. So if you have questions, please continue to funnel them either through your clinic leaders, or you can email me directly. And hopefully this helps address some of the issues folks have been having.